coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you